Welcome to Investor Web, where we unlock the secrets of wealth in today's dynamic markets. Here at Investor Web, we're dedicated to offering you top-tier investment tips and strategies that cater to both novices and seasoned investors alike. Today, we're particularly excited as we explore 10 ways to get rich in the new economy. From digital frontiers to unconventional markets, these opportunities are tailored for those ready to make a significant impact on their financial health. Prepare to transform your financial future as we dive into these innovative strategies. First on our list, capitalizing on the gig economy. In recent years, the gig economy has surged, becoming an integral part of the financial landscape. Platforms like Uber, Airbnb, and various freelance websites have opened new avenues for generating income. These platforms not only offer the chance to earn money, but also provide the flexibility to work when and where individuals prefer. This aspect is particularly appealing to those seeking a better work-life balance. One of the keys to success in the gig economy is possessing niche skills that are in high demand. For instance, expertise in web development, graphic design, or digital marketing can set you apart and allow you to command higher fees for your services. Additionally, these platforms often require minimal initial investment, making them accessible entry points for many looking to increase their income streams. Mastering the gig economy can turn your spare time into a powerful revenue stream. Next up, a high-reward avenue: investing in technology startups. Venturing into the world of technology startups is akin to stepping onto a thrilling roller coaster. The highs can be stratospheric, the lows, well, quite the opposite. But for those with a keen eye and a robust strategy, the arena of tech startups offers unparalleled opportunities for substantial returns. Understanding the landscape is crucial. It's about recognizing not just the potential in a burgeoning technology, but also the team behind it. Successful investors often highlight the importance of a passionate, adaptable team as much as the product itself. Consider the stories of giants like Airbnb and Uber, once mere ideas that transformed into global phenomena. These companies redefined their respective industries and yielded exponential returns for early backers. However, navigating this terrain requires meticulous due diligence. Scrutinizing business plans, market potential, and competitive edges is essential. One must also stay agile, ready to pivot strategies as the market evolves. While risky, the rewards of early investments in successful tech companies can be life-changing. Scene script number 3. Profiting from the blockchain technology. In the digital age, the word blockchain has transitioned from a tech enthusiast's jargon to a serious investment lexicon. At its core, blockchain technology offers a decentralized platform where transactions are recorded transparently and securely. This fundamental attribute is reshaping finance by enhancing trust and reducing costs. Investors are increasingly drawn to cryptocurrencies, digital assets powered by blockchain technology. These currencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, represent a radical departure from traditional fiat currencies, being both global and immune to central bank policies. Beyond cryptocurrencies, the real allure for investors lies in blockchain startups. These companies are working on revolutionary applications ranging from supply chain management to secure voting systems. Investing in these startups requires a robust understanding of the technology to discern potential from hype. Moreover, blockchain's influence extends to existing businesses, urging them to innovate or integrate this technology to stay competitive. Blockchain is not just a trend, it's the forefront of a financial revolution. Moving on to e-commerce. In recent years, the landscape of retail has undergone a seismic shift, with online retail emerging as a behemoth in the global market. The allure of e-commerce lies not only in its vast reach, but also in its accessibility to entrepreneurs across the spectrum. Starting an e-commerce business has never been more attainable. With platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, setting up an online store can be as simple as a few clicks. Furthermore, the strategies of dropshipping and private labeling have revolutionized how individuals enter the market. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory, reducing overhead costs dramatically. On the other hand, private labeling enables entrepreneurs to brand generic products as their own, creating unique market offerings without the expense of manufacturing. The benefits of engaging in e-commerce are compelling. It's a realm where small startups can compete with giant retailers, where niche markets can flourish, and where customer reach is only limited by one's digital strategy. E-commerce offers a gateway to vast markets and endless possibilities. At halfway, consider green energy investments. As the world pivots towards sustainability, the spotlight shines brightly on renewable energy. Solar panels now grace more rooftops than ever before, and wind turbines continue to sprout across vast landscapes, harnessing nature's power. This shift isn't just about environmental responsibility, it's a burgeoning economic opportunity. Delve into the realm of solar energy, where advancements in technology have significantly reduced costs, making solar projects more viable and profitable. The sun's endless energy offers a compelling case for long-term investment. Meanwhile, wind energy with its massive turbines is not far behind. Countries around the globe are racing to increase their wind energy capacity, recognizing its potential to meet substantial portions of national energy demands. But there's more to green energy than just wind and solar. Consider geothermal, hydroelectric and bioenergy sectors, which are also expanding their footprint in the energy market. Each offers unique advantages and investment opportunities. Investing in green energy not only promises good returns but also supports a sustainable future. Next, let's explore real estate innovations. The real estate sector continues to evolve with technology, offering new avenues for investment that can be quite lucrative. One such innovation is real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These funds allow investors to own properties indirectly, providing a chance to earn dividends from real estate without the hassle of managing the properties themselves. Crowdfunding real estate platforms have also made waves, democratizing access to real estate investments. These platforms enable individuals to invest in high-quality real estate projects with significantly lower capital than traditionally required. It's a splendid way to dip one's toes into the real estate market without diving headfirst into purchasing entire properties. Investing in rental properties remains a robust method for building wealth. With the rise of remote work, there's a growing demand for residential spaces, making the rental market more attractive than ever. Real estate remains a cornerstone of wealth building in any economy. Seventh, leveraging artificial intelligence. In the ever-evolving landscape of the new economy, artificial intelligence stands as a towering beacon of potential. AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer, transforming sectors from healthcare to finance and even retail. Imagine machines that can predict market trends, personalize shopping experiences, or optimize energy use in real time. This is not the future, this is now. For those looking to invest, AI companies represent a frontier of opportunity. The key is to identify firms that are not just using AI, but are pioneering innovations in machine learning, natural language processing, or robotics. Investing in these companies is like planting seeds in fertile ground, poised for exponential growth. Alternatively, consider integrating AI solutions into your own business ventures. Whether it's through enhancing customer service with chatbots or streamlining operations through automation, AI can catapult your business ahead of the curve. The AI wave is here to stay, and catching it could be your ticket to riches. Eighth on our list, educational platforms and tools. The realm of online education is not just expanding, it's exploding. In the digital age, knowledge is as accessible as it is essential, transforming education into a lucrative market. Platforms that offer courses, training, and certifications are seeing unprecedented enrollment numbers. But what's the secret sauce? It's about creating or investing in content that not only educates but engages. Let's break it down. First, consider the content. High quality, easily digestible, and relevant educational materials are the cornerstone of any successful platform. Next, think about accessibility. Platforms that offer flexible learning environments and mobile access are winning the race. Moreover, the integration of advanced technologies like artificial intelligence for personalized learning experiences or virtual reality for immersive learning environments can significantly enhance the value of educational platforms. For those looking to invest, the key is to identify platforms that not only have a robust user base, but also innovate continuously to keep their offerings fresh and relevant. Education is power, and in the digital age, it's also profitable. Ninth, tap into the health and wellness sector. In a world increasingly focused on personal well-being, the health and wellness sector has blossomed into a veritable goldmine. As people globally strive for healthier lifestyles, the demand for products and services in this sphere has skyrocketed. From organic food markets to wellness apps and personalized health services, the opportunities for investment or entrepreneurship are abundant and varied. Consider the surge in popularity of wearable health tech. Devices that monitor everything from heart rate to sleep patterns are not just gadgets, but essentials for health-conscious consumers. Investing in companies that develop these technologies or starting a business that integrates them into holistic health solutions could prove lucrative. Moreover, the rise of mental health awareness has opened new avenues in wellness programs, therapeutic practices, and even digital platforms offering counseling services. The market is ripe for innovations that prioritize mental and physical health. Health is wealth, literally and figuratively. Finally, personal branding and influence. In today's digital age, personal branding is not just about being known. It's about being known for something specific. It's about carving out a niche in the digital world and becoming the go-to expert in your field. Whether you're an artist, a tech guru, or a business maven, your personal brand is your reputation, your calling card, and potentially your key to immense wealth. Social media platforms are the stages on which personal brands perform. By consistently sharing your knowledge, insights, and experiences, you engage an audience that trusts your voice and values your expertise. This trust is the cornerstone of influence. Now let's talk monetization. Influence can be converted into revenue through various channels like sponsored content, partnerships, or even your own product lines. The more authentic and engaged your personal brand, the more attractive you are to potential investors and collaborators. Building a strong personal brand could be your most lucrative investment. We've explored 10 exciting paths to wealth in the new economy. From the flexibility of the gig economy to groundbreaking technology startups, the opportunities are vast. Dive into the blockchain, dominate e-commerce, or invest in green energy. Innovate in real estate, leverage artificial intelligence, educate through digital platforms, enhance health and wellness, and build your personal brand. Choose the path that aligns with your passion and expertise. Thank you for joining us at Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and strategies. Here's to your success.